Hi there, welcome back to 11 Plus Confidence. Today I'm looking at the CGP book for Nonverbal Reasoning, page 18. 2D and 3D shapes. So some more spatial reasoning today. If you looked at each figure directly from above, how many cubes would you see? So like take a bird's eye view down onto this, and you see this face and this face. Imagine like buildings and you're looking at the roofs. So 1, 2. Here, you're looking straight down. 1, 2, 3. You'd see the tops of those 3. Here, you'd see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah? So 5. And so on. Then we come to the next part. The cubes below are made from the net on the left. It's got a net which you can fold up. It's like a cardboard box flattened out, right? So we could fold this up to make a cube. And the question is, what letter is going to appear on the blank face of each square? So we've got a B here. Look at the B here. The blank face, to get to the blank face, you have to go from the B on the right side of the B forward to the edge of the square and round the corner. So let's do that on the net. Here's the B. Here's the right side of the B. Go to the right of it, to the edge of the square, and then round the corner, and you hit the C. So it'd be a C here. Let's do that with this one. How do we get from C or D to the blank face? Well, let's use the C. C is here in the middle. Let's use the C. How do we get to the blank face? We come to the bottom of the edge of the C and round the corner. To the bottom edge of the C and round the corner, we hit the E. See how that works? Reverse here. Here's the C, and we want to go up from the top of the C around the corner. We'd hit the F. Here, F isn't a useful one because when you look at the net, it's only joined to the C. We've already got the C here. So let's start from the C, okay, because we got that here. C is joined on every edge to something else. So how do we get to the blank face? We go from the mouth of the C, which is the right-hand edge of the C, where the opening of the C is, and round the corner. Do you see? So if we go to the mouth of the C, the right-hand side of the C, and round the corner, we hit the D. And finally, let's just do this one. To get to the blank side, we have to come off the left-hand side of the C and round the corner, which will give us B. Okay, hope that made sense for you. Then we've got, what's this question? 2D views of 3D shapes. So this is if you were looking down, like an aerial view of this, what would we see? Well, we would see this square, like that. And then we'd see this one to the right of it, like that. We'd see this one to the left of it, like that. And then we'd see this one sticking out below it, like that. D. This one, I mean, a lot of people can just do these, but let's just imagine they can't. Maybe, you know, you or your child have struggle with these. So you got this square, and then you're going to have one sort of behind. You can see there are two, there's like a row here, like this. So this is this square. There's a square there we can't really see. We can just see the corner of it. That's that one. This square would be here. And then it comes forwards. So there's this square that we can't really see very well. It would be here. And this square is there. It's A. I know I'm only doing page 18, but I'm just going to do the top of page 19. Just because the next part, cubes and nets, is going to take some serious explanation. So I'm just going to do this one for today. So we got looking down aerial view of this. So let's start here. We got a square. Let's draw it. We got a square. This one, from an aerial view, would just be below it. And this one, again, from an aerial view, would just be below it. Where would this one be? This one. It'd be to the right of your original one, right? And then where would this be? It's diagonal and up from the one we just drew. So it's kind of going off my page there. So what is it like? It's like D. There you go, 2D and 3D shapes. It's a free Friday today, so if you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends, tell people about it. You can subscribe for £5 a month. You get access to all of the videos, and there's lots more coming on the rest of the 9 to 10 books, and then the 10 to 11 books after that. Plus, if you got questions, fire away. Yep. There's going to be more next week. We're going to be looking at those tricky cubes and nets, and really dig into how to do those on Monday. I've got some good tips for you on those, I think. And that's it. I will see you next week for more 11 Plus Confidence.